Hello and welcome and good morning to this live Forex day trading webinar. My name is Emil, I'm a Forex trader and I'm here to help you becoming a better Forex trader. This morning I just want to jump on and see how you guys are doing. I will try to do this every morning this week with some new um, content and new knowledge every single day. First of all, we'll go through whatever has happened since yesterday. We will also go through your questions, and we'll also go through what your trade plans, your charts. If you also have that, that would be lovely. If you can send me your share your trade plans or tell me your trade plans. Trading Forex is risky and not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. So whatever I say in this webinar is not financial advice, is only for educational purposes. So yeah, great. Yeah, this morning was a different morning than any other morning, I guess. I sold early yesterday and doesn't seem like I'm in a lot of profit, so I was in profit like for 2 minutes yesterday. Well, I guess. So hello Abbas. Hello Prince. Hello Magnus. Happy to have you here. Mabab wants to sell pound yen. Well, that is quite convenient that I'm already there, right? And you want to sell it. Okay, the big question then, the large question is, do you have a downtrend? Do you have a series of lower highs and lower lows? Do you have a series of lower highs and lower lows? Okay, what up? High, low, high, low, high, low, high. That does not sound like a lower low, lower high situation. As we said, high and high and high, low, higher low, higher high. Great. Then I would say you can sell it at the moment. You want to, that is great. That's a plan. I applaud you for that. But you then have to create something lower than 141.60, wait for price to come back up again, and then short. Until then, you can't do that. You are break even. I don't know, I haven't checked my account yet, but I don't know how much, how many pips I lost today, but I didn't check. I can check soon. Are we live? We're actually live, DFI. Teddy. Is that great? Is that fantastic to be alive today? Got a coffee today. Cheers, mate. Already cold. And is there something I don't like? Is that coffee? Well, I guess what it is. We are back live. You know, and it was quite a good morning. Now it's already soon 10 a.m. So yeah, you are very welcome. We can go from, I think we can go through pound dollar in the moment. I think, as you can see, my trade plan, I have already sold it. I think I sold in this area here around 37, 36, whatever. On Friday, I'm now back up. Some 30 pips in loss. Great. Doesn't really matter. Stop is up here. Okay. Hasn't been hit yet. Came up to the weekly sell price. Has gotten some rejection for it. But I'm not going to add more trades here until we have a new lower low. On this time frame at least. So what I'm going to do, I've already taken my first order in. Great. That's awesome. Nothing wrong about that. All great. And then I would need to see price coming lower again. Since we now have gone higher, I'm a bit more skeptical about it actually falling. So I will take my precautions. So since I already have an order here, so I would say I already have I already entered in this area, and then I will wait for a new low, pullback, and then sell it again. Well, that would give me a worse price, but why don't you just sell up here? I don't like to enter again when I've already taken the trade. I took it on Friday, hope that would work. It didn't work out great, but I still see that the same. So for me right now, I'm just waiting for this one to fall. Good. Abbas says that it's not good for you to have. It's not good for you to have. It's not good for you to have Coca-Cola in the morning. Yeah, that's very true. So currently, trade plan is going great. I'm still rest assured that this is going to be a great day. Just need to see more follow through, and if it goes higher, great. Whatever, cool. Yes, fantastic. We had a plan, we executed on our plan, and we are great. We are okay with that. Euro Swissy. Oh, interesting. That's a new one. Let's see. So fundamentally, I want dollar to fall. No, fundamentally, seasonally, I want dollar to rise, sorry, and then pound to fall. So we shall see if that works out this week. But if not, we'll just let it go. Euro Swissy. I'm thinking it's sideways in a range. Okay. Yeah, it's still a range. I wouldn't trade it for my dear life, and we have only risen 103 pips since November election. Okay, that is very interesting, because I would love you to make money. I would love you to find trends and pairs that gives us tons of pips. This one has at least shown us for the past, whatever, a 1.5 month, 2 months, whatever it is now, that it doesn't trend. Going into this time frame, we haven't moved a dollar ever since July. That is 195 trading days, and you will be break even by now. Okay, that does not show me. That shows me that I won't trade this. This is not a good pair. I would just leave it. I've actually talked about it way longer than I would look at it, because it doesn't trend. It doesn't matter to me. The ECB lady talk a lot. Lagarde, she will talk twice today. I think she's low. Well, Lagarde has tried and has mentioned something that euro is too high. So I think she's trying to talk it down. I don't know, it hasn't worked yet. Talks euro down. I don't know if that really works so far, but you know, it can work out. Something was buzzing. It's just a LinkedIn message. Great. Nothing worse than that. Put you on mute. Yeah. So sorry, X-ray. I don't have anything for you here. There's nothing to sell. Nothing to tell you. What's the idea stream today? A buy on Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, great. Have fun. The thing is that I'm just looking what other people are doing, just to see what they are thinking. But these FXCM guys, the past weeks has been terribly wrong. As of late. This is maybe a new one. But which other one was it? Pound yen breakout. Oh, stop loss. Crap. Shit. Gold. How did I go for you? Oh, stop loss. Oops. Use the CAD. Okay, that actually worked out. But yeah, doesn't matter. Possible new trend on New Zealand. Buy entry. Oh, almost stop loss. Great. Anyways, doesn't matter. Australian dollar, US dollar. I was thinking, oh yeah, here we are. That's a good sell price, mate. I just went through pound dollar. Should you sell? I've already sold it, yes, on Friday, so I don't feel like selling it again. Sure, if you feel like it, I'm not going to push you to make anything at all, because I'm not giving financial advice. But what I would do in such a situation, I wouldn't like it. I can sell it at 37.15. Yes, great, whatever. But I would have my stop loss up here, and I would not be aggressive. I wouldn't add more trade. I wouldn't add a big lot. I would be cautious. That's all. Great. Now we're falling again. Great. So that would be a perfect entry on Australian dollar, US dollar. Great. As long as we're still below this price, that would be great. So we are down. So we are from that price. We are in 20 pips now. Great. Sounds amazing to me. So it seems like things are falling. That would be great. So what do we do next? How do we trade this now? Not how we trade this. How do we analyze this one now? Oh, whoa. Okay. We are saying this is the sell price, this is the sell price, this is the sell price. Okay, great. This is the buy price, this is the buy price, this is the buy price. So we haven't really got to the buy price yet. This could be the first one, and then going higher. This could be the second one going higher. It all depends on how much conviction we have now in Australian dollar to fall. But yeah, days not over yet. I normally say that around, I don't know if I say this loudly though, but around 10 to 11:30, there's always a pullback. So if you fall now here, the pullback I'm talking about is probably up to here and then falling again. Around between now and, let's see if I can find it for you. So the pullback I'm talking about, like if you have, let's see, 12, this one. So even though you made a new lower low, came back all the way down now to 9:30, still had a full pullback here at 10:30. Great. Let's see, 9. Even though you are here at 9:30 or 9, which is, yeah, an hour previously from now, you still have a great pullback. So even though you're up here like, whoa, if you look at the clock and it's around 9 a.m. my time, so I'm 10 now, so 1 hour earlier than now, whatever that is on your time frame, I would just be waiting patiently here to sell it again. No, to buy it again, sorry. In such a situation, if I was a buyer. So yeah, I think that's a great tip for you. So be patient, catch the pullback, and don't necessarily go around and say, oh, what is going on? Why is it so low? It's making a new low low. Oh, same thing again, 9:30. Pulls back to 11:45. There you can sell it again. Great. So right now we are setting up for entries. We are, so if you have put in your orders, you should be in a sell. You should have been in a sell at least at this point here. Great. Other than that, there's nothing else to say. We are good. Good here. Everything is going to plan. Not everything. Euro dollar got the price you wanted. Awesome. No new higher high. Great. Currently starting to fall. Great. I am on Euro USD, Abbas. Maybe there's a delay somewhere, Abbas, but I'm just literally just talking about it as you mentioned it. Maybe talking about oil at the moment. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, people. Oh, right. Euro USD. Oh, I didn't see that. Thank you. Yeah, you like put this Euro Swiss. It looks like board market. Not boring market, but it's a non-performing market. As there is different things in this world where I hope you're still with me, everyone. There, where you take if you have a is this called drag race, speed race? Well, two cars racing each other against each other. Fast and Furious. I think it's called drag race. If you take 911 against a Fiat 500, who's going to win? Do you think? I think the Porsche is going to win. But with your Swissy and the dollar pair, yen pair, and Swissy pair against each other, USD yen, USD Swissy, Swissy yen, they are not supposed to. They are like Porsche against Porsche. It is not supposed to move because they are the ones that is a funding currency, the safe havens, at least dollar and yen. They're supposed to be moving together on the same type of news. Same having the same properties. So you have to take that against the Australian, for example. The Australian is supposed to go opposite of what a dollar do. The Australian is supposed to do opposite of what a yen do. So I would more, as you can see here on my right side, I have all the dollar pairs here, and I have all the yen pairs here for a specific reason. It's not because, I feel like today I would do yens, because it's proven back and again and again and again. I can give that small analogy here. Let's see. It was back in March, so give me some time to find it for you. It's back in March, some random day. One random day in the park. Let's go to daily. Let's go to March. Okay, so if we have here, this day here, 28th of February, we have a big candle that is 381 pips. Great. That is 28th of February. And then on USD, we see, for example, 28th. This day moved only 86 pips. Okay, do you want 300 pips or 86 pips? I don't know. What do you want? It's up to you. Same day, 28th. Another big day though, by the way. 200 pips. So pound yen still moved 30% more than USD yen, and 2/3 at least more than USD Swissy. So I would go with pound yen any time of the day. That's almost 400 pips, 380 pips. Duh. So you know what? Chill. No, well, pick and choose your team if that's what you want to trade your Swissy. I'm not going to make you do it, but yeah, great. Have you ever explained pips in any of your public video? A quick explanation might be nice. Pips, I think I have. Well, at least it's definitely in the course, Abbas, Teddy. 1 pip is 1. Is it percentage? Percent in points. So a pip is, let's see, 142.09. Move a bit more. Move. And then 5. This is a fraction. So normally you see in your trading terminal, it says this. But this is not a pip. This is a fraction. This is a cent. This is like a less than $1, right? But this is the number 1. This is number 10. This is number 100. This is number 1,000. Isn't that correct? 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Great. And then 10,000. So as you can see here, 142.095. 5 is a fraction. 9 is the 1. That is the 10. That is the 100. A pip is it's calculated through like how many ticks or movements a price is doing. And for every move you do, or for every move the price moves, you gain or you lose $1 depending on the direction the market moves and where you want it to move. So if it goes 1 tick down or 1 pip down and you are selling it, you gained 1. Just saying, great. Mental about oil now. Well, yeah. I have done my analysis on oil yesterday. I will do that again soon, but I'm just going to do euro again. I will try again. So this was the sell point this week. This is the first buy zone. This is the second buy zone. That is what the buyers are hoping for, I think. Something like that. Something like that. But what we as sellers, we are thinking, oh, great profits. Entry here, new lower low, new lower high, sell, new lower low, new lower high, sell, and then we'll take it down to 120, give or take. And yeah, I think the sellers, the Euro USD sellers are great. They're having a lot of fun now. But it's struggling to make a lower low at the moment. I don't like that. But great. So then Australian, great entry. Euro, great entry. Sold Australian, I've sold Euro. I've sold Pound. Pound is coming back to break even now. Oh, great. It's great. Gold. Nobody just asked for gold yet. That's great. Nothing has happened since yesterday. That we didn't have that kind of a move this week. So there's no manipulation yet. I still want this to be higher. I still want it to come lower and then shooting up. So we shall wait. We shall all wait. Silver, the same thing. Nothing new here as well. New Zealand dollar. Oh, that is a less of an attractive thing to do, eh? That's all. That's above the sell price. Almost the same high. I don't like that. I don't like that. Well, we still haven't reached our stop loss. I would like, why can't the market just do that for a moment? Like, hey, Joe, do what I tell you to do. Well, it shows a lot of strength to breach through this. I guess it's still being held down by 72.20, but whatever. The other thing I want us to go through is sometimes I tell you that what I'm going to do for next month. For example, as said yesterday, 1st of February. Why do I mention the 1st of February is such an important month or day for that matter? After going through the pairs, great entry, great buy entry, and then another one down here. So yeah, I'm not engaged in this one personally, but I would have been engaged in this one personally if I was trading CAD, but I don't trade CAD. So yeah, US oil, okay. We are going higher. Do you think that we're going higher because we're searching for sellers. Oops, no. Do you think we're searching for sellers at 53? I think so. I think we're searching for sellers at 53. I like to buy gold when no one wants it, like late November. Yeah, but I've also, like, my plan is if we can go up and make a high in February, fall around 19th to 24th of February, fall, and then around April or even March, start rising again. That would be great. So, yeah, oil is pretty strong at the moment, so really want to dig into what really goes on there. Then I would go to Forex Live, see what kind of they thing have to say. Lagarde is going to touch more on climate change speech. Climate change. So nothing major about monetary policy. Okay, great. Business climate is 90 versus 91 is expected. That's worse than expected, by the way. The Swiss National Bank deposits 704 instead of 703.8 billion. Okay, so that put more money into it then, or more deposits. Self-emergency measures may dampen the economy. I don't like that. Yeah, and she's supposed to speak soon. Oh, that's not soon ago. That's a long time ago. Anyways, doesn't matter. So, great. Nothing new there. Is there anything else for today? New Zealand dollar. Biden saying bars are in near-term control. I would say so. It was quite strong. Gold is in no man's land. I would agree to that. But yeah, great. So a bit of free commercial for them there. Great. So Australian dollar has set up. It's falling. Euro has set up and falling. Pound has set up and falling. Pound yen has gone higher than I wanted, so I don't want to do that yet. New Zealand setup. So okay, let's go back to what Ted is saying. He's saying 2014 there was a gold rally. Great. 14 in as a January, by the way. So when in 2014? You said late in like November. Oh yeah, that was, well, I don't know if I like this one though. I hate that one. I would rather say 5th of January 2015 to 23rd January. That's just a straight line. Bankers. Or 2014 January. That's also straight bankers. But November, this low hair, I hate that. I hate that. So what I'm talking about, what I'm expecting and hoping for is some kind of high in February, comes down again. That's in April, comes back up, and then we can pick it up in June or something. Great. So that's my two. Actually, I just said my plan. June and January and April to be rising, and then whatever in the meantime, and then maybe November, December again. That's funny. The other thing is 2012. What happened in 2012? 2012 and November it falls. So I don't know if you're still talking about 2012 November though. But the beginning of 2012, whoop. That is amazing. So you know, there is some gold moves that's happened in the past that is not indicative of future results. But if you just get those, it is an amazing thing to look at, right? It is, well, it's just a straight line. It's some daily time frame, so there's some pullbacks here and there, but still, that would be awesome if you could just get that. And as you can see, I wouldn't agree that we have gotten the same. We have actually just gotten nothing of that. We might got something in December to 5th of January. I would agree to that, but nah. What I wanted to go through was the reasoning for my February move. Okay, let's find February. 1st of February. 1st of February USD. Let's see if that works out. That's not first, but that's 1st of February is in the weekend. Great. 1st of February there. That's the 1st of February. And that is 1st of February. 1st of February. Yeah, great. Okay. 1st of February 2020 is definitely a high at resistance in a downtrend. Fantastic. That's a great entry, isn't it? Well, it's 3rd of February because it's that one was the Saturday. It was the 1st of February. Same thing. That Monday. Great. Sell off. But that was COVID year. What does it do in a normal year? What don't have COVID? Okay, let's see here then. That was 31st. That is 31st. That is 1st of February. Great. So we have here another price at resistance on 1st of February. I would say that resistance. And we fell. Great. How many pips was that in a normal market condition, eh? I didn't take everything, but yeah, 200 pips. Yeah, that goes okay, right? Okay, we can do that. The next one is back up here. The first fall is 300 pips. Yeah, I can take that too. And ultimately we then fell so much that it was 1200 pips. But this one was a change in fundamentals. People changed their behavior. So that's a bit more than expected. But a 300 pip down, yeah, I would take that any time. As we can see how back in February 2016 didn't work out. Great, whatever. But we got other great years instead. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. This one is here. 1st of February. Great. Oops, I was wrong. And this is what I do. So I think that selling here, how much profit would you get then? 1,000 pips. Great. Awesome, man. And this can also explain what I'm thinking about this year is if we can fall now back down to March or April, give or take, then we can start rising again. And then June we can rise again. So yeah, that would be awesome. So I just showed you what I would do. I'll just make a very simple one though. What I would do is, how do I know that? How do I know what I know? Seasonality. Okay, great. And then I will go to some seasonality charts and say, great. What does EUR normally do back in February 1st for the past 20 years? Is that 20 years? Probably 20 years. As you can see here, maybe the first 2 days it goes up a bit before it falls. Okay, seasonality is with me. I can see it in the charts. And I'll be like, great. So what do I do now? I would say, okay, I have sold here now because that's the weekly sell price. And then I would hope for a new lower low this week. And then I don't know how far back we're going to go before falling. Wherever we are going to fall from. Isn't that amazing? Boom. Okay, great. I just show you how to make money. That's why I tell you guys, don't stress about your trading. Don't be like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Have a plan. Have a strategy. Do your research. And maybe some luck as well. Don't stress about it. Like if you come to the marketplace with a strategy, with a plan, and you're like, this is gonna happen. You have conviction. You put your appropriate stop loss, appropriate risk management, and you're right. I can be better, right? So that is what I want. And if that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what deserves a like then. And if you are new to my channel, please come forward. Do you have any questions? This is just what I wanted to show you today, that trading isn't difficult. I just need to tell myself that, at least. That if you just do your planning, if you just do your job, you are more likely to make more money. I will go through the ends now. Oh, so great. I'm looking forward. And you know what? This is what makes me want to get out of bed in the morning. And you know what? Which day is the 1st of February? Next Monday. Oh, great. Australian dollar, yen. We have an entry. Great. As predicted from yesterday. Boom. Great. And then I would say, what's next? Well, we just wait for a new low and we can sell it again. Great. I love my days sometimes. And then if you are a buyer, you're thinking, okay, I would at least hope for 78, not 79.80, to be honest. Back down. Oh, whoa. That's not a trend line. Here it is. 79.87. Around that price. I would hope for that. Hope for it. And there's nothing else I can say about that. All right. CAD yen. I don't like you. Well, since oil is rising, I'm not going to sell this one, am I? Because then it's just supposed to likely to go higher. So I'll just skip it. I don't like CAD anyways. Okay, all right. Look at that trade, eh? That's a great entry. Okay, coming lower now. Okay, as projected. Okay, all right. Hold on. Oh. I told you yesterday that was the price to sell from. So if you didn't take it, well, I don't know. Stop loss above here. Target down here. Happy profits. Boom. New Zealand yen. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Nope. Nada. I'm not taking this one. I have the new lower low like a Euro yen trade, not the higher high like a New Zealand yen trade. Other than that, people, what else do I want you to know? I want you to have patience. I want you to have a plan. So the summary for today is, I want you to have a plan, do your research. What kind of patterns can you find that normally happens around the time that you're in right now? What kind of appropriate entries would you have around this time around now? So if we're coming into November, if we're coming into next week's sell price, wherever that is, right? Then you would be waiting. Well, now it's still just Monday. We have our sell, but if we got a new low and we have a sell price here, great. If you have a sell price here, great. Doesn't really matter. Because what matters is that you have a plan, and then you execute your plan, and that you just didn't let it go, or you just didn't bother to do the job, right? That is what I like about my job. You can do your job on a Friday, on a Saturday, and then you can enter your trades on a Monday morning, and you're done for the week. We are already done with our entries on the Monday morning. Great. And some of them in profit, some of them are not, and we're just waiting for that to happen. All right, people. I think that's that for today. If you have any more questions, please come with them. And if not, I will revert back to what I normally do. That would be great. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and please go to my Discord channel, link in the description, or I can put on the link here now. If you haven't watched my weekly Forex forecast on Saturday, you can go to my YouTube channel. I can't remember the link at the moment, but it's posted on Saturday. Great. Nothing else. We will then talk again another day, maybe tomorrow. Boom. Happy profits. Have a nice day and take care.